So we are live. Okay. Okay. गुड इवनिंग, नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप लोग? So Jabra, okay, mic setting is completed. So let me check the chat. Okay, so hello everyone. So okay, hi, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, Sandeep, Shruti, Aditya, Salesh, Abhi. Okay, so let's start today's session. So in the yesterday's session, we completed the some part of variable, what is variable, and some operators and some important functions, right? So in this one, I'm going to teach you about the control statement, how to use the control statement. Okay, first of all, I'm going to share my screen. So I have three screens right now. One is second screen, this is first screen. Okay, and this is mobile screen. You can see this is my mobile. I can see your comment here. Okay. Okay, so let's share the screen. Okay. So I cannot see any comment right now. Let me check. Just give me 1 second. I'm just checking. Comment are not visible actually. Live chat. Okay, okay. Now I can see the chat. When will they give assignment? You can see the community link, dear. You can see the community link. Attend is sorry. Assignment is there. Okay. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night, sir. Okay. So let's start today's session. So मैं अपना notepad open कर लेता हूँ. Let me open the notepad. Okay. So today I'm going to teach you about the control statement. So let me on one slide so that I can show you the conditional statements. Okay. Okay. So in the slide there is a very less. Okay, just for the hint, I'm using this slide. Otherwise, I don't need a slide. Okay. So what is the control statement? What are the control statement? Not what is. What are the control statement? If and else. Okay. If, else, if. These are the control statement. These are the logical, means consider if you want to create some conditions, you want to take decision based upon some conditions. Okay, so we can use the control statement. Okay, every programming language contain this kind of control statement, whether if you use R language, Java, C++, every language use the control statement to build the logic. Now question is how to use the control statement in Python. Okay, so I'm going to start with one program. Consider, just 1 second. Consider if I want to create a program which takes the input input and value as password and matches with the stored password. Okay, let's see how to write. Okay, first, how to take input from the user, how to take. So for that we use the input function. So let me save this program first. So today is this is if1.py. Okay, input method. Input method, we use input method to take the input from the user. Getting sense? Okay. So I can see chat here. Can you fill the tenders form now? I don't know. Enter the value. This is a prompt message. Okay, this is a prompt message. And whatever we take the value from the user, I'm saving it in the integer, sorry, in the variable a. Okay, print a1. Let's run this program, and very simple. You can use command prompt, or you can use also your Jupyter notebook, Visual Studio Code. I'm giving you very simple way. Okay, Command prompt, open the command prompt and run it. Now is asking for the value, enter the value. Okay, enter the value. Okay, one person is saying Gojo VS Code or Python ID best. It totally depend upon the user dear. Okay, if you like Visual Studio Code, that's okay. Our purpose to write the code, whether you want to write in the VS, PyCharm, purpose is to write the code, not the किसमें लिखा हुआ है, which ID I'm using, which editor I'm using. That's not a concern. Concern is how efficiently you write the code, how much optimize you write the code. Okay, that's the thing. That thing matter, not the editor. Editor you can use any editor of your choice. That doesn't matter. Okay, enter the value. So if I enter the 10, I'm getting 10 here. Now run it again. If I enter the hello, I'm getting hello here. So what is this? What is the type of this A1? Can anybody tell? What is the type of this A1? Type. Okay. Can you type? What is the type? What is the yesterday's assignment has been uploaded? Yesterday's assignment has been uploaded. Please check. So somebody says stir, int, string, 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 int, int. People are saying string. Mostly majority are saying string. Yes, that's the right answer, string. Whatever I give here, that is considered as a string. So if you want to check A1, let's see, type hello. I'm getting str1 and here 10. I'm getting str again. If I use 10 point something, oh sorry, this one is string. String, not integer. Whatever I write here, that's a string. Okay. If A1, now I'm matching the condition. If A1 double equal to, what is the meaning of double equal to? Means I'm comparing A1 with stored value like mm, point break. Point breaker. What is the meaning of point breaker? Do you know what is the meaning of point breaker? Anybody? What is the meaning of point breaker? This one, this string. Do you know this string? Point breaker just a string. Okay, nothing else. Print statement. Welcome Thor. Okay. Okay, let's run it. Now don't ask me who is Thor. Okay. Python if one. Let's enter the value. Okay. Odin. Okay, say Odin. Nothing else. Okay. Nothing else. Welcome Thor here, and here I'm writing nothing. Okay. But I'm not getting any message like password is wrong, password is not, password is uh, type retype the password. Okay, so I'm using one other statement, that's else. I hope you know this statement. If is a independent, if can be independent, but else is coming with the if like this. If you are very new in Python or in any programming language, let me just write the conditional statement. Okay. Okay, this one, this box, oh sorry, this box we use for the conditional statement here. Okay, here we are entering the value like whatever, enter the value, or yeah, or here I'm comparing if condition. If yes, then welcome Thor. Otherwise this side nothing. Here I nothing. So what here? This side, this is yes and this is no. For the no, I'm not doing anything, but let's see how to use this no. Else, print wrong password. Point breaker is a is a name given by the Tony Stark to the Thor. Okay, when he saw first time point breaker. Nothing else, just a Marvel movie. I'm a fan of Marvel movie. That's why I'm writing this one. Okay. थोड़ा फन भी होना चाहिए. Odin, wrong password. Strongest Avenger, wrong password. Point breaker. Welcome Thor. Okay, point breaker, nothing, just a name, just a string here, just a string. If you want to know what is point breaker, just watch the movie Thor Ragnarok. Okay, okay, getting sense? Okay, it's just a movie name, just a character. Okay, just to create the fun. Okay, so this is the if and else statement. I hope you're getting the sense how to use if and else statement. Okay, okay, next is consider if I want to use if and else statement. Consider I want to create multiple conditions like this. Here multiple condition, here one more condition, here one more condition. Okay, I'm just joining today. Can you please say the name of the software? Which software, dear? Which software? Okay, multiple condition. Consider I want to print the grade of one student. I want to print the grade. Okay, grade. How to print the grade? mm, Marks. So I'm using the marks of a student. Input, enter the marks and print Marcus. If to.py. Okay, marks. And if I compare, if marks, consider I want to create a logic. What logic? If marks greater than 90, marks greater than or equal to 19, then A grade. In that condition, A grade. If marks less than 80, means greater than 80, less than 90, then B grade. If marks greater than 70 but less than 80, then C grade. Okay, similar D grade, E grade. Okay, are you getting the sense? Okay, yes. So this is this is not a software. This is a notepad and command prompt which is built in our PC. That's a notepad plus plus, not the only notepad. That's a notepad plus plus. The third party software you have to download. That's a open and it's free to use. Okay. So first is enter the marks. If marks greater than 90 or equal to 90, so this is a symbol of greater than. Then print, take the grade equal to A and print A. Print grade, grade. Okay, grade. So what will I get? Can anybody guess the output? Let me just write here if to. It's a fee to. Oh, sorry. Now if I type 93, now guess the output. Now guess the output. Tell me. In the chat box, tell me the output. Where is the water bottle? Just 1 second. Yeah, tell me the output. There is a. Wow, wow. So many people are saying A, but that is not A. That's an error. Yesterday I told you that we cannot compare, we cannot add integer to the string. Yeah, Sakshi Agarwal ने सही बोला है. Sakshi Agarwal chocolate from my side. Okay, it's an error. Yes, I told you that's a string. That marks is a string. Okay, that's mark is a string. So we need to convert that marks to the integer. And we have some built-in functions. So how to convert? Let me tell you how to convert. Consider if you have any value like 10, that is in the integer form. Sorry, string form. Okay, A is in the string form. You can see. Okay, string form. So how to convert? We can use int. Right now we can use int. Otherwise you can use if eval also eval. But I'm not going in so much detail. You can also use eval, but I'm not going detail. What is eval? Very simple. Use int. Okay, you can use int. So little bit this side actually. Okay, you can use int. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. To convert, but this must be a string. ऐसा नहीं कि if you give here like 30, no. Okay, 30 is also there, but if you give like this is also there. But if you give like this, means if you give something to convert, to be convert into int, that must be convertible form. It doesn't mean that int can convert this a to, because this a is not in the convertible form. This can be converted, this can be converted. Okay, getting sense? Right, done. So let's see, let's use this one. So I can use int over here. Now I'm getting A grade. Okay, getting sense? So now let's complete the code. L if marks greater than 80, then grade will be B grade. L if marks greater than equal to 70, C grade. L if marks greater than 60, grade equal to D grade. Last में else grade equal to E. And here I am printing the marks of student is and grade is. Yes, getting sense? Now let's run this one. So if I enter 77, then tell me what would be the answer. Yes, 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 tell me what would be the answer. Greater than 70, greater than 70. People are saying B, but I think it's C. Why B? No, this time Ishika no error. Okay, not every time we set the error. C grade. But people, Sakshi ने बोला A B grade. Sakshi, give me my chocolate back. C grade. Okay, it's C grade. Grade spelling. Okay, okay. 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 So I hope now let's see one more. 10. I'm getting grade E. One thing here, consider if I type 91. In that case, see this condition 91. Will it match with the 91? This condition? This condition also greater marks also greater than 90. Marks also greater than 80. 91 is greater than 80, na? 91 is greater than 70. But why I'm getting this one, this 90? Why? Not this answer. Not this answer. Why? Why not B, C, D? Because 91 is greater than 80, 91 is greater than 70, 60. But why not? Why I'm getting only A? Because this is the only one way. If it first is true, it never the interpreter never check this rest of the all the statements. Getting sense? This is the if ये नहीं तो वो, if not then ये, then this. Okay, it's conditional because first check 90. If that is not match, if that doesn't match, then check the second one. Okay, if the second one doesn't match, then check the third one. Then okay, if matches with the first one, never check the do not check the rest of the statement. Okay, so this is the logic. Okay, don't confuse if we use here if statement. Consider, right, let me write this again. Let me write this code again. Consider if you just type if Python if 3. Enter the marks. Now if I give 90, then tell me what would be the answer in that case. See this, see the code and tell me the answer. Mukesh is saying A. Okay. First condition A B C D A. Okay, let's see. Let's open the suspense. I'm getting C. I'm getting C. Actually, if 3. Actually, spelling mistake. Actually, sorry. This should be the. I'm getting D. D. I'm getting D. Why? D. Because here, check this one. Okay. Check this one also. Okay. Check this one also. Check this one also. Check. Means check everyone. सबसे check करना है. Okay. First check this one. Okay. Then check if we true or false, whatever. Check this one also. Check this one also. Check this one. Because we are using if, not if else. This is not the if else. Okay. I hope you're getting the sense. Yes. Okay. So this, I think you get the sense of if else statement. Now let me check what is the next topic. So next topic is Python loops with Python. So let me tell you the loop. So in the Python we have two type of loops. First is for loop and while loop. But question is, what is the meaning of loop? Can somebody tell me what is the meaning of loop? Why do we use loop in the programming? Anyone? What is the why do we use loop? No, Akshar, there's no do while loop. For repetition, you want to repeat something, okay, iterative approach, right? To repeat a piece of code, right? So first, let's see the syntax of for loop. So what is the syntax for loop? Save as for one.py for each. So first variable in iterator or any iterator, anything. Then statement one, statement two. Now, okay, I forgot to tell you one thing. What is the meaning of this in the previous statement? In this one, sorry, I forgot to tell one thing. What is the meaning of this space? I forget actually. What is the meaning of this space? What is the meaning of this space? Sorry. Actually, this topic remain unattended. So, what is the meaning of this indentation? Yes, Python uses the indentation. Okay, Python uses the indentation. In the C language or Java language, we use this kind of thing, curly braces. But in the Python, we use the indentation. Okay, body of condition. Yes. I hope you know, everybody know this one. And how to start the indentation with the help of colon. Colon tells the interpreter we are going to start the indentation, and this next code is coming under the if statement, and this line of code coming under the else statement. Now tell me one thing, uh, what I can use for indentation, space or tab? Space or tab? Yes, space or tab, please tell me. Tab, space, tab. You can use space as well as you can use tab. Consider here I'm using tab. This is a tab, but here I can use space, just one space or two space, whatever. Let's run the if one code. Uh, enter the value. So if I type like okay, I'm program is running fine. Okay, program is running fine. So you can use tab as well as spaces, but I'm giving you personal advice. ध्यान से सुनना, ठीक है? Personal advice: never ever use, okay, not this side never ever use tab and spaces in one code. Never ever use. Why? Because if you use tab and space in one code, that will give you a strong headache, because I faced that thing. Space and tab, never ever use space and tab in one code. Either use tab or space, although you can use both, but take one convention before starting writing the code, or take convention before making a project. If you are working in a team, then go with a convention: 3 space, 4 space, 1 tab, 2 tab, but go with the convention. Don't try to use tab and spaces. Okay, that will give you serious headache. Okay, so let's come back to the for loop again. Okay, so this is the identity. So I'm coming back to the for loop. Okay, So this is the indentation. This is the colon. Sorry, this is the statement one, statement two. Okay, in order to fill statement one, statement two, there must be a, okay, there must be you can say one statement here. There must be a one statement here to satisfy the indentation. Oh, let me check the comments. It may automatically available in the compile like PyCharm. Maybe. Oh, bhai, why would any developer use the Notepad? Dear, you are saying Notepad plus plus. I used a VM editor in the Linux. VIM editor. जो VM editor use कर लेना. If anybody can use VM, if anybody use VM editor, na, you can means you cannot imagine his imagination power. Okay, VM editor. I have used the VM editor for 2 years, and you are saying Notepad lol. Okay, Notepad is far better than VM editor. Okay, that's very lightweight and fancy. Okay, that's why I'm using it. This is very lightweight. Okay. Okay, statement one, statement two. Let's see the how to write the for loop code. Just one thing. I'm just giving the style configurator. Python triple quote. This one is okay. This one is okay. Okay. So I'm making it comment. You know very well what's the meaning of triple quote. So for each in. Okay. Now what to do? So before jumping to the for loop, we need to understand one more function. That's a range. Okay, range. So before jumping to the for loop, we need to understand range. What is the range? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of range? So let me use shell to range. What is a range? Range is a function to produce the series of numbers. Series 1 to 10. Oh, I'm not getting the series. Sequence of numbers. So I'm not getting series. Why? Can you see I'm not getting the series? I'm giving 0 to 10, but I'm not getting any series. Because it just gives the expression. It just gives the expression. In order to get the value or values from the range, we have to use one iterator like list, tuple, or any kind of like I am list. Okay, so 0 to 10. Sorry, not range. Sorry, range. I'm getting a list. If you use tuple here, tuple wrapper, I'm getting a tuple. Okay, tuple. And in the range, I can give third value also. Third value means like spaces of 2 to 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Okay, getting sense? Okay, so we can get the values from the range by using the tuple, by using the list, by using the for loop. Okay, let me use the for loop. For 0 to 10. For loop. Two loops. Where is error for line 1? Okay, this one, hashes. So I'm getting the number. Okay, this number 10 number is not inclusive. Please note down this point. The last number is not inclusive. This is exclusive. First number is inclusive, but this number is not inclusive. So if I use range 0 to 20, This number is exclusive. You can see in the output, you can see in the output, the last number 10 is not here. Okay. Done. If you want to print these all values in the horizontal form, then what to do? Horizontal form. Let me check. Where is the water bottle? Yes, no water bottle. Yes. If I want to print in the horizontal form, then use here and equal to this one. Give some space. I'm getting horizontal form. So what is the meaning of this AND? This AND is an argument of this print function. By default, its value is. So if I give this one, so what will I get? Yeah, tell me. Tell me the output. Yeah, I need a water bottle actually. Just give me 1 second, okay? I'm just coming coming in uh 30 20 seconds, okay? Just 1 second. Just 1 second. I'm just coming. Okay, coming back. Okay. Oh, screen is not shared. Screen is shared right now. Okay. So let's start the session again. Just 1 second. Yes. Okay. Vertical format. Yes, you're right. Vertical format. We'll get in the vertical format. Okay. Vertical format. So if we use, so by default, there is a n slash n there. So we are just giving the value. Consider if I give t, then in that case, in that case, get the horizontal tab. Okay. So this is the second argument. We can put here comma, we can put here hash, whatever. Okay, you want to put. So this is the for loop. Now let's see the for loop with the string. For let's say string str1 equal to uh, Python programming. Okay, Python programming and star1, and here star1 save as if not for 2.py. For each in, this each is just a variable. Don't think this is the keyword. This is just a variable. You can use I, you can use j, you can use k, whatever. In str1 print I. Python programming vertical form. Now consider I want to find the frequency of O, any given character. I want to frequency of any given character. How to find? How to find? I want to find. Consider uh, A1 input. Enter the frequency or just freq of given char. So how to find frequency? I want to find the frequency of given character. Frequency. So condition is if A1 equal to what? Or I can use if I equal to A1. In that condition, condition sum equal to sum 1 plus 1. Then yes, if I equal to A plus 1, sum equal to, and print the statement the variable, sorry, the A1 repeated I, not I, sum 1 times. Let me give oh, just 1 second. What is the problem here? 0 str1. Okay, given character 0. Okay, I think I'm giving A 1 time, and it's not a 0 actually. Sorry, it's O repeated 2 times. Yes, you can use this one. Sometimes somebody saying sum 1 plus equal to 1. You can use it. This short form of this one, but sometimes I get confused. Even I get confused. Equal to plus or plus equal to. That's why use I use this one. This is the explicit. Okay, this is explicit. This is also explicit, but this is more viewable, uh, more means more understandable. Okay, that's why I avoid this one. Okay. Yes. So next is for loop with list. Yeah. So far we haven't not covered the list, but let's see. List is a heterogeneous data type which can contain for 3.py. Okay, for 3.py. And print each. Now this print for each in, this is in the muscle memory. Okay, that's why every time I write the for each in. Okay. Okay, 1 2 3 4 AB. Okay, yes, please explain the working of the program. Which one? And this one? Actually, what happened? Let me tell you the working of this one. What happened? This is just a variable. Okay, this for loop is taking the one by one value from this list and passing to this each. Okay, like take this value and make it equal to each equal to 1. each equal to, in the next iteration, each equal to 2. Okay, and printing here. Okay, consider if you want to check the indexing, if you want to set, you can print over here, print id of each. Every time each gives a new id. Now you can see each is assigning to new value again and again and again. Okay. Okay, people are not understanding. Which one? What one? Sir, can you explain the sum plus one? Okay. Sir, can you working on the program? Okay, please explain. Okay. In the previous program, I hope you're getting this one, right? This one. What happened actually? If this condition matches, this is a if condition. If this condition matches, in that condition, I am increasing the counter. I am increasing the number. So this number is 0 in the starting. I want to find the frequency of the particular character. So if match found, that increase the number by 1 every time. Initial number is 0. Initial number is 0. Okay. I hope you're getting the sense. So people are not understanding the code. So now I hope getting. So ID gives the RAM address. Okay. Memory address of a variable each. Okay. Yes. Anyone? Any doubt? Anyone so far? Sir, sir, is I is the input from a user? Where I? This I? No, no, no. This I is coming from the str1, one by one. P, Y, then T, then H, then O. Okay. Can we get those program? Yes, the program is already uploaded. Yesterday's program was already uploaded on the community link. Okay. This program is for you, not for me. Okay, this is for you. Now next is, so for loop with the string, for loop with the list, for loop with the range. I hope this is enough example. There's a couple of more example where we can use for loop with file pointer object, with tuple, with the dictionary, but I'm not going in so much detail right now. Okay. So what are A and B? Where where A and B? Okay. Next is, tell me the sum of first n numbers, n greater than or equal to 1. Can you tell me the formula? Sum of first n numbers, n greater than equal to 1. Yes. So let me write a program. Input number 1, num1 equal to input. Enter the number. Enter the number. Num1. Okay, num1. So we have to use for loop for each in save as for 4.py range 1 2. Okay, now not 0. I'm not using 0. 1, start from 1. You know very well this last number is not inclusive. Last number is not inclusive. So we need to add one more. Are you getting the sense? Okay. So let's, what is the each at every moment? Python 4 enter the number. Definitely. Oh, and then again the problem. So we need to use int. uh, enter the number 10. I'm getting the number. So this simple thing, simple for loop. Okay, just 1 second. This simple. Okay, this mobile should be closer to. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, so we need to use int, and let's see how to sum the numbers. So same thing, take one initial number, sum. Okay, sum one equal to, yes, equal to sum one plus each. Print sum one and each. Now you can see at what level what is the sum of the n numbers. So at the 6th level 21, at the 10th level 255. Yes, getting sense or not? Yes. Range length of number. Yes. Length of number. How to number is already number. So what is the length of an integer? What is the length of integer, Mohammed Iqbal? Okay, so I hope you're getting the sense of this first sum of n numbers. So next loop is while loop. So we have done enough example of for loop. I hope you get some idea how to implement the for loop. For loop with string, for loop with list, and for loop with range. Okay. Next is while loop. Where to use while loop? Okay, my photo is not visible because my antivirus give me permission for 1 hour again. Okay, so while loop. Uh, so consider if you know the end, where to end, how much step your program will take. In that case, you can use for loop. If you are sure about the steps, maximum numbers of steps. Consider here in the for loop, you are sure your program will take 10 step, 20 step. But if you are not sure, how many step your program will take, in that case, you need to use while loop. If you are not sure how many step, one step, two step, three step, 100 step, infinite step, don't know, then you can use while loop. Tell me one thing. See this code. What is the issue? What is the shortcoming? What is the limitation of this code? Yeah, tell me. Yes. What is the issue in this code? It work. Ashani Ghosh ने बहुत सही बोला है. It will work only once. Yeah, it will say only password wrong or welcome Thor one time. Okay. So multiple time. If somebody enters a wrong password, the program should keep asking again and again, please type the right password, please type the right password like this. So I'm copy pasting this code. Okay, first of all, let me show you the what is the syntax of while loop. So while loop, first while, then condition, and then print. Statement one, sorry. Statement one, statement two. Okay, statement 1, statement 2. This is the while loop syntax. So making comment, and this. Oh, sorry, it should be the while. Rename it. Rename while 2.py. While 1.py 2 y2. Okay. So okay, let me copy that program over here. Enter the value, that's okay. Print the value, okay, that's okay. And compare, not compare. So compare will be done in the while loop. Done. If this one, okay, what I want actually, I want to trap the user if that user type the wrong password. Wrong password. For the wrong password, if somebody enters the wrong password, then that user should be in the must be in the while loop. So for the wrong password, if password doesn't match, that's our true condition. If this condition is true, then somebody enters in the while loop. So I hope you're getting the sense. If this condition true, when the password not equal to point breaker. Okay, a password not equal to point breaker, that's a true condition, and in that condition I am saying that a1 and once more statement print wrong password /n and enter the password again, and this else is nothing. And if that successfully bypass the while loop, then here welcome Thor. Yes, any problem? Now here in this code we are not sure how many steps will our program take. So while 1, enter the password. Okay, Odin, wrong password. Okay, enter the password again. Strongest Avenger. Enter the password again. Okay, point breaker. Welcome Thor. You know, I can give the password by using the voice also. Okay, voice means I can give my voice to give the password. Let me just show you. Find SP. This is actually Finder's version. Finder speaking version means Finder can be used with some. If I want to speak something like point breaker. Okay, so it's searching index and sending the point breaker. So, but I'm not going to search it right now. Okay, point breaker. Okay, so means I can give my I can search the file by my voice also. Okay, how to install find SP? No, it's a storm breaker. Not storm breaker is a storm breaker. That's a weapon. Okay, but point breaker. Robert Downey Jr. When he saw first time the Thor, he saw it. He looks like a point breaker. That's a movie or character. Okay, you can check. Okay, that's not storm breaker. Okay, now actually this after this while loop, I'm going to show you the continued break statement. Okay, don't worry. So let me complete the loop, then we will control the. Okay, this while condition is complete. Now let me write the this while statement with okay, let me complete one program. Yeah, sum of first n numbers, this one, this code with the help of while loop. Can we write this code with the help of while loop? So I'm commenting this code, okay, and try to implement the same code with the help of while loop. While 2 dot, why there's a blurred vision? Okay, let me just check there's a blurred vision or not. I think it's okay. Okay. No, so this statement is as it is. Okay, this statement as it is, and this sum also as it is. If we use previous code break, okay, I will tell you what is a break, continue, and else also. Don't worry, we have a time. Just let me complete this one in 20 minutes. I will tell you. Okay, num1. If now let's complete this code with the help of while loop, so that you can get the more knowledge about the while loop. While now here we have range. Range is doing some task, giving the series of number, but in the while condition, we need to create the series. How? We have num1. Let me create each here. Each starting value is 1, like this 1. Okay. And if condition each less than or equal to num1. If num1 is greater, if num, okay, yes, great. In that condition, use this line as it is, okay, and increase the each with 1, each equal to each plus 1, and this statement as it is. Done. Okay. Enter the number 10. I'm getting the same thing here. So now you can compare this for loop code with the while loop. For loop code with the while loop. Here we explicitly mentioned the each and increase the number by 1. But in the for loop, that is uh, uh, that is done by the range function. It's applying the value to each one from 1 to n plus 1. But here we are explicitly uh, creating each and adding 1 by 1. No, dear, each plus plus is not the right syntax in Python. Okay. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. Oh, just 1 second. Done. Okay, so now let's see one more thing. That's a for loop. I'm coming back to the for loop with break statement. Break. So now what is a break statement? What is a break statement? Can you tell me what is a break statement? So we have some statement like break, continue. To control the loop. To control the loop, we have break and continue statement. Okay, helps exit the loop. Yeah, help exit the loop, but to control the flow of loop. Okay, to stop the loop at the one point. Like consider the situation is, let's see, for here. Yes, consider you want to search. Um, you want to search G. Just a logic. Okay, just a logic. We want to search G. If G is there, just check whether G is there or not. Although you can use the simple in operator, consider this is string. Consider this is string. I want to search whether G is there or not. We can use G and in operator. I'm getting true. Yes, we are getting, but let's see how to use with the for loop. How to find with the for loop. In that case, how to find with the for loop whether we have G or not. Okay, so I'm using this two line. If a1 equal to okay, sorry, for loop na, for each in, save it, break one, for each in range, sorry, not range, str1 star1, if a1 equal to each, then print yes, just yes, else no else, yeah, no else, just yes. Okay, only yes. Python break. Enter the frequency. So okay, let me just check the enter the frequency, enter the character, enter the character. Sorry, this statement is wrong. So enter the character. Yes, not enter the frequency. Yes, sorry, enter the character. So if I use G, I'm getting yes two time. Two time I'm getting yes. Okay. If I use O, sorry, not zero. O. Yes, yes, yes. O matches two time. That's why I'm getting yes. But I need only one repetition. Means yes, if O is present, that's okay. So what we can do here, I don't want to iterate the complete loop. Okay, I don't want to iterate the complete loop. I just check whether we have the given character or not. So in that condition we can break the loop, because our purpose solved when we get the first yes. Okay, first yes. Enter the character. Yes, I'm getting yes only one time. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense of break statement. Okay, whenever you want to break the loop at a certain condition, and given any condition, we can set if a1 equal to each something something, and then break. Okay, next one, continue statement. Continue statement. Okay, continue. Continue means when you want to skip something. When you want to skip something, skip. When you want to skip. और font ज़्यादा छोटे हो गए. Font. When you want to skip particular iteration. Skip a particular iteration and want to continue with the next iteration. Okay, so we use continue statement. Okay, how? Let's say consider I have a list. 4 and 0. Consider you want to multiply the numbers. Multiply. We have seen the addition. Now let's see multiply. So let's take the number each in list 1. Okay. So let's print the all the numbers. 1 2 3 0 4 5 0 0. Yes. Now consider let's multiply it with number 1. Sum equal to not m equal 1 equal to 1. I want to multiply all the number like 1 into 2, 2 into 3 like this. Okay. So m1 equal to m1 multiply by each and print m1. Okay. Oh, 1. Okay. 1. Okay. 2. 6. 1 into 2. Okay. Consider this is 2. So let's see. Let's analyze the output. 2 into 2. So 2 into 1. This one. So when I say 2 into 1, so this is the 1 actually in the starting and this is the each 2. I am getting 2. So next, when this m1 became 2, 2 into 2, 4. Done. Then 4 into 3, that's 12. Then 12 into 0, 0. Finally 0. Answer is 0. Don't you think this is a not good? Don't you think this is not a good situation? Final result is 0. So I want to ignore the 0. I want to skip this 0. So what to do? If each equal to 0 at any moment, then continue. It means that, just try to understand, it means that when interpreter encounters this continuous statement, this continuous statement tell the interpreter भैया, please don't go further. आगे खतरा है. ठीक है? Don't go further. Continue with the next iteration. Okay? Continue with the next iteration. आगे मत जाइए. अगली iteration से then continue with the next iteration. Don't go further and continue with the next iteration. Okay, I hope you are getting the sense. Let's see the result this time. Gotcha, we are getting the result. 0 को click करो ignore. So this code, this continuous statement ignores the 0. Okay. So let's add one more number just for fun. Oh, this is the 480. Okay, I was thinking some different result. Yeah, 240, 480, double result. Okay. Okay, any doubt, anyone? Okay, so this one is completed for loop. Yes, one more thing. In the previous, in this one, the previous question, the previous, this break statement. I can tell this. What is the limitation of this code? Can anybody tell what is the limitation of this code? The previous, enter whether the string is there or not. What is the limitation of this code? Yes, what is the limitation of this code? If item is not present, that's great. If item is not present, Python uh, break one item is not present, like mm, X. I'm not getting any message. Yes, no, there is no message. So how to give the message? Can anybody tell me? If and else. If I use else here, print no. This is wrong or right? This is wrong or right? Anybody? Yes, can obtain number of time. Yes, you're right. Consider Python break. And if I use u, I'm getting no. Oh my God, there's so many no. If I use like h, I'm getting three no. Then yes. Hmm. Then what to do? It is saying yes or no. Yes, no. Confusing state. So in this type of thing, can we resolve this issue? Do you have any idea? No. Yes, flag variable. Yes, flag variable. We can use flag variable, like any variable you can use f equal to 0 and make a variable flag f1 equal to 1 and use if f1 equal to 1 not equal to 1, not equal to, if f is 0 it remains 0. If it remains 0, then we can say no. Yes. So okay, let's check. K, no. Okay. Give the some test case H. Yes. Getting sense? Yes. If you're getting sense, please tell me yes. Okay. So you can do one thing here. Remove this thing. No need to use. You can use else with for loop. So this time no need to use if statement because this else is coming with for loop. If there is no break statement, what is the meaning of else here? What is the meaning of else here? Else means no break statement. If interpreter doesn't execute the break statement, in that condition, interpreter executes the else statement. Are we getting the same result or no? Let's see one test case. Okay, first test case, yes. And second test case, X, no. Yes, we are getting the same result. Okay, else means no break statement. Else means no break statement. So I'm writing here, no break statement. This else with for loop. Else with for loop means no break statement. Okay, again, I cannot type further statement. Else with for loop means no break statement. If interpreter Okay, getting sense or not? Please tell me. You know, I have created so many software in Python. Okay, I will give you. I'm giving you one. I think it's done. Okay, let me check the today's topic. For loop, decision making statement done. Loops in the Python done, and modular programming. Yeah, I hope you're getting the sense. We can use while. Let me check. Actually, I never use else here because I never get such a situation. Okay, let's check else here. If I write just else, as there is no break statement here, so okay, I will check. But I never check this one else statement. If there is any break statement here, uh, if each equal to 5, then break and use else. Just else statement print. Okay, I'm just checking. Okay, while to because I never get time to check the while to. Let me check. Why if okay, just clarify the syntax error. So enter the number 9. I'm not getting the answer. It's 1 4 10 big statement. Okay, enter the number 3. Yes, we can use else with while loop also. Now when I write the less than 5, there's no execution of break statement. I'm getting okay. I'm getting okay. Okay, so we can use else with while loop too. So yesterday I told you about the fdit and finder code. Okay, now I'm going to show you some more interesting code that I made for myself. Okay, first that is the C program. C program. What is the uh, advantage C program? I think I showed you what is a C or not. C program C. This one C code. Do you know what is the meaning of C? No or yes? No. Okay. So consider in many situations we find some difficulty in projects or something like this folder. Let's upgrade one. Okay, this folder I wrote one code where I use some statement like trace back or trace. I don't know exactly trace. Okay, trace. I don't know which one. Or module one in which code I use module one statement. I need to check everyone. Where's the module one? Where's the module one? Where's the module one? I need. Okay, so what to do? You can use C code. This is a really interesting code. Like C, I want to check where is the module one line. Okay, module one or whatever I want to search. Like yes, let's say trace. Which 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 one contain the trace? I forget that in one code I use a trace, but in I forget which code. Okay, so I want to search with the help of C. Just C. So in this code, I'm found trace found in this file at line number 8. Line number this one, line number. Okay, line number. So I'm getting this getting so much data, economic data, full stack. This line number at this line number, I'm getting trace. Okay, they are total this file. Okay, file because file are 14, multiple time multiple location I'm getting the trace. but still I'm confusing. There are so many files, 14 files. Exactly, I want to search some trace back, trace something, something back. So I can use regular expression like trace, whatever after that. Please tell me. Okay, yes, no, I'm getting the trace back. This code I want. Exactly. I'm getting this code debug 1 py at the line number 14. Easy. Now I can copy. Okay, the code is also here. Except 6. I can copy this file. I can go and find this file and copy my syntax. So that's a beautiful code, don't you think? Yes, tell me. I'm not getting the comment actually. Let me check the comment again. Okay, now I'm getting the answer. Okay, you can make this, you can check the code of this project if you want. You can see there are so many files which contain the, okay. Okay, sometime if you're working on a project and if check that, okay, from where I'm getting this module, where the module is, from which line contain this module. Okay, and one more code like timer, like Python C1. So that's a timer. Sometime we need to take a break. I can give minute here, I can give seconds here, so I can start the counter like this. Okay, that's a timer. I made it for my some batches in which I take the break, 5 minute break, 10-minute break. Okay, so one more. Let me just tell you one more code. I think that's enough for the day. Okay, in one again in new session I will tell you the uh, more codes for myself which I wrote for myself. Yes, anyone, any doubt? I hope you like the today's lecture and this cool stuff. See, okay, yesterday I showed you the finder f date. Now this C.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please detail about the yesterday assignment? Like a
Okay,
student
assignment.
has a doubt.
Okay, so that's a very simple assignment. Add two numbers. How to add two numbers? Okay, try to add integer with string and see the output. Are you getting any output? Error or real integer? Error or any number. Print variable and string in one line. So like formatted output f string. Okay, so use the f string variable like name and string uh, like the name of the person is, and then variable like this. And how to add space and new line in the print statement with the help of n character and slash t. Okay, no, typecast is not necessary. Just try to find and get the result. Find the add integer with string. Check the output. Okay, just for learning purpose I made this assignment. Okay, I know the output, but you should learn what kind of output I'm getting. Okay, this is yesterday's assignment. Nagaraj, this is yesterday's assignment. Okay, I hope you're getting the sense. Yes, Josana, I think done.